Hello, everyone. This is Jeff once again with Zucker Marketing. Thank you so much for making time to talk with me earlier over the phone. And as promised, here's your website analysis. So we'll be going over some few things that can actually help you rank higher, bring you more traffic, and of course, get you more customers. So let's go ahead and start off with your website. You actually have a pretty good looking website. You have your logo here, pretty good photos, nice layout, good amount of content. So there's actually just some few things we're gonna get over first to make sure we get you on top of the search list. One thing I can tell you right off the bat is that Google loves content. Google would like to see a minimum of 1,500 words on a homepage. And in addition to this, the more content you'll have, the more you'll look like an expert in Google's eyes. So of course, if you want to beat out the competition, you'd want to have 1,500 words or more. So let's go ahead and do a quick count just for us to see how many words you have on your homepage. So currently you have 731 words, not a bad number. However, we're still quite behind with the goal of 1500. That way, Google will actually consider your website a more trustworthy website. Another thing I would like to talk about are keywords. So Google is actually looking for keywords. It's looking for what the site should be found for. So if you have the exact words listed multiple times on your website, you're going to be really relevant for that search. And of course, Google is going to be willing to put you higher in the results. So I actually did a quick search of the roofers and one of the areas you're servicing. We'll be discussing more about the results that we have here. Starting off with the first one. So this is what we call the map pack. And I actually see that you're listed second on the map pack, which is actually perfect. One way for you to consistently appear on the map pack or even like dominate the listings on the map pack is you'll actually need to add your information in as many directories as possible, like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Angie.com, so on and so forth. That way we can actually bring your website higher in the map pack. Next would be the organic searches. So these are all the website that actually ranks higher without people paying for any ads, just because they're doing some certain things. And I actually see that you have a good standing on the organic searches. So one way for you to, consistently be on top and of course dominate the competition that we have out there is we'll talk more about the other things that we can improve on. So I pulled up one of your top competitors' website and let's see what they're actually doing differently. Well, looking at their website, you actually have a better website. Well, they have like their logo here, they have good layout, and they also have client testimonials. So let's dig deeper with the numbers instead. This is Ahrefs, one of the paid tools that we're using for us to have some more information on the backend of your website. We'll be talking more about the numbers, so let's start off with DR. So this would be the level of trust that Google has in your website, and UR would be the strength of your website. Backlinks, on the other hand, these are other website that refers to your website, so they're like shoutouts from different directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and alike. I also have your competitor's website pulled up on another window, and as you can see, you actually have more numbers in DR and UR, which simply means that Google finds your website a stronger website and a more trustworthy website. And the reason why that happened and the reason why you're actually ranking higher than them is because you have more backlinks and you have more keywords, which resulted to more traffic. So if we're gonna up the numbers with your backlinks and keywords, you'll be surely dominating the searches on Google. So let's go ahead and discuss more about the importance of backlinks and keywords. So let's start with backlinks or what we call the referring domains. So as you can see, these are all the website that your competitors currently listed on that actually brings them more attentions and a lot of traffic. So that's why they're also ranking high in the searches. Next would be the organic keywords. So these are all the keywords they have listed on their website. So when customers search for these specific words, their website will show on top of the list. And if you also look at the numbers under volume, these are all the hits or clicks that they're getting per month with the help of this keyword. So that's how important in choosing the right keyword is. That way, more customers will be able to find your website easier and quicker. Another thing I would like to share about keywords is what we call the hidden keyword. So let's use this photo as an example. If we save this photo and instead of naming it with a generic file name, you can actually rename it with a hidden keyword. And you can do it, or you can do the same thing with the other photos you have here. That way, you'll actually have more hidden keywords added to your website. And not only that, for those words to, of course, to not to be repetitive as well. So just to wrap things up, the most important things that we can definitely do to, of course, improve your ranking would be the number of content wherein we're going to add more words to your homepage. That way, Google will find your website a stronger website and a more trustworthy website. Next would be the backlinks, wherein we're going to add your information with many more directories as possible. That way, we can add more traffic to your website. And of course, the higher chances of your website to appear on top of the map pack. Last but not the least will be the keywords, wherein we're going to help you out in adding more keywords and choosing the right one, of course. That way, more customers will be able to find your website faster and easier. So that's actually all that I have for now. If you have any further questions, feel free to call us or email us back so that we can tell you the next steps and the other things that we can do. Thank you so much for your time. You all have a wonderful day. Bye.